Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Hoover Dam and why it's considered an engineering marvel. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the Hoover Dam located between Nevada and Arizona? Yes, it sits on the border of those two states. Was the Hoover Dam completed in 1956? No, it was completed in 1936. Was the dam built during the Great Depression? Yes, it created jobs and hope during a difficult time. Is Lake Mead the smallest reservoir in the U.S.? No, it is the largest reservoir in the country. Was the dam named after President Franklin D. Roosevelt? No, it was named after President Herbert Hoover. Did the construction of the Hoover Dam take place in the Rocky Mountains? No, it was built in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. Do millions of people get electricity from the Hoover Dam? Yes, it provides hydroelectric power to millions. Is the concrete in the Hoover Dam still curing today? Yes, due to its size, the concrete continues to cure. Was the dam built using only manual labor without any machines? No, workers used explosives, cranes, and cooling systems. Can tourists visit the Hoover Dam today? Yes, it's a major attraction with tours and stunning views. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.